Good morning. 21 cases of COVID-19 were diagnosed in the 24 hours to 8 o'clock last night, bringing the total number of cases in New South Wales to 3,567. One previously reported case was excluded. 25,318 tests were reported in the 24-hour period, compared to 27,147 the previous day. Of the 21 new cases, 2 are linked to the funeral gatherings cluster, 3 are associated with Our Lady of Lebanon cluster, 2 are associated with the Thai Rock Wetherill Park cluster, 6 are associated with the Apollo restaurant in Potts Point, 2 cases are associated with the Mounties Club, 2 are returned travellers in hotel quarantine, 1 case was acquired in Victoria, 2 cases are under investigation, and 1 case is linked to a known case that is under investigation. New South Wales Health can advise that the Everlearn Childcare Centre in Prestons will be reopening after a suspected case has subsequently been tested as negative. The centre will reopen to normal operation on Monday. Based on new information, New South Wales Health has revised the times that the cases who attended the Mounties at 101 Meadows Road, Mount Pritchard, while infectious. Anyone who attended the club during the times on the website must isolate and get tested regardless of symptoms, and make sure they isolate for the 4 to 14 days even if the test is negative. There are now 94 cases associated with the Thai Rock Wetherill Park cluster, 57 associated with the Crossroads Hotel cluster, 8 associated with the Bateman's Bay Soldiers Club, and 23 associated with the funeral events, and 3 associated with the Mounties in Mount Pritchard. There are 19 cases associated with the Potts Point cluster. Updated lists are available on the New South Wales Health website. We all need to keep our families and loved ones safe to help stop the spread of COVID-19. If you are unwell, stay in, get tested and isolate. Wash your hands regularly. Take hand sanitizer with you when you go out. Keep your distance. Leave 1.5 metres between yourself and other people. Wear a mask in situations where you cannot physically distance. Anyone directed to undertake a 14-day self-isolation period must stay in isolation for that full period, even if they test negative. This is because early testing may not detect infection, and release from self-isolation based on a negative test could allow an infectious person to infect other people in the community. The self-isolation period is 14 days, as most people who are infected develop symptoms within 14 days. There are 102 COVID-19 cases being treated by New South Wales Health, 8 people in intensive care, with 4 being ventilated. 89% of cases are in non-acute out-of-hospital care. Thanks very much. Thunder.